Arduino projects book, the communicating with the Arduino section, there is a sketch which brings an actuator and LED to blink, and it also suggests to play around with the values, with the delay values, to make some changes. For example, the value of the delay, change it to 100 or to 1000. I actually added a couple of lines with the delay time and set up some values as I pleased. And the LED, which is supposed to blink, is this one here. I will power up the Arduino Uno and it will start up, and yes, this is the LED blinking with the modified, as per the modified sketch that I uploaded to the Arduino Uno. Communicating with the Arduino.